everybody. My name is Mosey, and I use they, them pronouns, and I am a fiber artist. Today turned out to be the final day of me organizing, sorting, decluttering, rewinding all of my yarn. And I am here surrounded by it. I hope you guys liked that first part of the video. I thought that was pretty cool the way I did it. But yeah, so it's a lot of work. But totally worth it because now everything is in bins, first of all, which means they're protected, at least somewhat. And it's all organized so I know exactly where to find what I need, if I need any more yarn. So I have currently yarn in, let me count how many places I have yarn in. Give me 1 second. I have yarn in 15 different places in this house.